Hey there, here's just a little take-home video for what I showed you in class. So this is a video for submitting the Dropbox assignment in Activity 2. So I'm going to go to Activity 2, and after I've read the content, I'm going to skim through these 2 pages of content because it's going to tell me lots of good stuff. This is probably the most important activity in my opinion with the content. So you can definitely refer back to it if you need to know like what the blog is. We're going to be blogging this unit, so I do need you to know how to use this stuff, and promise I'm not wasting your time. And once you go to the assignment page, I'm talking about the writing assignment. So if you click on the link, it should pop up into a Google Doc. Google Docs work in a browser, so you don't need Word or OpenOffice or anything to view this. As long as you're working in Chrome, you should be good to go. And yours will look a little bit different than mine because this is my file, but you're going to go to File and Make a Copy. You have to be logged in order to make a copy, so if you're not logged into a Gmail account, you're not going to be able to make a copy and it's just going to be blank. So anyway, let's just assume that I've made a copy. You could just type in here your 3 skills that a good high school student should have. I want you to think about this and use your best writing because I'm going to use this as a writing sample for the rest of the term. And then once you're done, you can't put it in the Dropbox like this because it's not actually a real file. It's just like in cyber limbo. You go to File and you can download it. You can download it as any of these things, but honestly a Word document or a PDF is the smartest thing. And since Word document's right at the top, we're going to click that. So when we click that, we got a little download bar down here. And when you've completed your writing assignment, save your file and submit your work to the Dropbox, which is right here. So once you click on this, you can submit your work to the Dropbox. It's kind of like attaching something to an email. So here's the rubric, and then you just go add a file. You can just drag and drop that little guy in here. If you need to like put a comment in, this is your space to do it. Or you could also record audio if you don't want to type it, and you just submit. So you're going to get this file submission successful. You can hit done. Sometimes if you're submitting multiple files, there was a button there, I don't know if you see this, that said submit more files. So you could do that, and right away you get a submission receipt. You don't even need to click on it. You can just see Dropbox submission receipt. That means that I got it. So that's how to look at the Dropbox. And due to the magic of the internet and a pause button, now I'm going to show you how to look at your feedback. All of the major assessments in this course, I'm going to be giving you feedback through D2L. So if you go to the Dropbox, here's your writing assignment, and whoa, you have 1 submission, and look at, there's feedback. Yay! So if I click on that, I can see a bunch of different things. I can see my assignment, what I submitted. This is for plagiarism. It is 100% plagiarized because I submitted the exact same assignment that already exists on the internet. So you don't want a plagiarized assignment. You can see that I've gotten a level 4, and there's Dropbox feedback down here. So this might be a lot of text, or it might not be a lot of text at all. So this just says you're awesome. The thing that I like about D2L is I'll be giving you audio feedback quite a bit. So there's an audio file here. If I click on it, it downloads to my computer. And then once I click on it, it's going to open Windows Media Player. So my feedback is there. So this is what we're going to be using, so make sure you check your feedback. And you should be good to go for those last couple of short activities.